Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching the video of hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, hotel location.
And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings online that are given by their experience like real estate. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the superb. A set of reviews is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities and images, etc.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
If you are planning to visit, you can do so through the link provided in the description.
For booking or more details, check description of the video.
If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.